It was a holiday, so I went to park. Museum. I went to playground.
I like playing badminton, but I don't have racket.
I love watching film, so I go to cinema.
I like to listening to music, so I go to concert.
In my holiday, I went to the swimming pool and playground with my friends.
I like drawing, so I buy drawing book.
I like playing games, but I need to study.